Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you my updated fidget collection. I already did my fidget collection, I think it was it was 2 videos ago. This is my updated fidget collection because I did get new fidgets and I updated it. So yeah, the first fidget is a squishy zebra, which I actually really love to carry around and just play with. Kind of made it in my pocket and I just squeeze it because I don't really want to like carry this around and just have it out but I'm gonna try to play with each fidget for about 1 minute. It's kind of funny when it does that. But it's not haven't been a minute, but almost. Then I have this homemade, this ball has foam beads in it. Next I have marbles, which I'm not going to take them out. Next I have this foam slime, but all the foam beads come out. Like, not all of them, but like most of them, just a whole bunch just fell out of the darn slime. I hate this slime so much. Why am I pretending to throw up? I'm so overdramatic. Okay, but look, I need to get this slime in the container right now because it's making a mess. Like, literally all over. And don't mind that. That was a slime, so don't come at me in the comments. Oh my god, she farted. Like, no, I didn't. It was a slime, okay? But comment down below. I need video ideas. Like, literally so bad. Next, I have my favorite slime right here. These are the only 2 slimes I have, but out of like any slime that I had in my fidget collection so far, this is my favorite. You can basically see my whole bedroom in this setting. It looks way smaller and cozier on camera than it actually is. I have a huge room, and it's kind of cozy, but like, Yeah, comment down below. Rate my room in the comments. See, I have some butterflies up there and stuff. Pictures of my dog, my friends, me when I was a baby, my family, stuff like that. But next, I have Fab Foam, which I actually really like this stuff. Here's all of it. It's kind of hard to play with all of it, so let me take just some out. Don't wanna play with magic potions. Oh, what you want? Okay, anyway. It's actually really fun to play with. But yeah, I actually really like that stuff. Next up is Pop-Its. I only have 2, which I want to get more. I don't want to say only 2, because I'm grateful for the ones that I have and that I even have them. But I definitely want to grow my fidget collection. And you know how Dixie says, like, instead of butts, like, butt? Like, that's kind of how I say butt sometimes. Like, but I want more. Like, but I want more. So don't mind that. But I have this one. This is the clicky side, which I moved it to the clicky side because I wanted you guys to hear the ASMR. And then here's the quieter side. You really can't hear anything. There was a little clip. Oh no, that's from the other side. I'm just trying to get him back to the clicky side so when I do more videos or show off my puppet. Here's the non-clicky side of my square one, which I'm gonna switch it to the clicky side. It's in the palm of your hand. Next I have a Rubik's Cube. It's from the Dollar Tree because like I don't really play with Rubik's Cubes, but I seen it there and I was like, oh, this is actually pretty cool. I don't know how to solve them. Someone teach me. Like, YouTube videos don't help. I practice for about an hour. It doesn't work. I just don't have that skill. Like, people are like literally like this. Done. How? Like, I'm literally sitting. How are people like literally? Done. Like, how are people like that? Like, how do they do it? Teach me, somebody. Next, I have this stress ball. Pink needle. I couldn't find the color changing one, sadly. But, you heard that? Yeah, I don't have it, but it's okay. Next I have this homemade one, which it has, Mad Matter in it. Now it's stretched out. I kind of want to get it to the original size. Kind of its original size, but I don't really like this one because it makes a lot of noise, but if it didn't have a lot of noise, I would definitely like it more. But yeah. And then I have this one, which was in a mesh, which I do not regret taking it out of the mesh. And then I have the fruit needle balls. Here's a banana. The orange. And then the strawberry. And then the snowball. And then the sandball. Which is really stretched out, but it's okay. Next I have this Orbeez stress ball. Sorry, it's like mostly stress balls, but these are the ones that are like right here. Don't mind my brother crying in the back if you can hear him. But next I have this bead one. Mad Matter. By the way, I used to have 3 Poppets, but I had the same of the round one. I gave it to my friend. Oh, I'm giving it to her. I haven't seen her yet, though. But, yeah. This you. I don't really like playing with it unless I have a tiny bit. And I would rather not play with it. But again, I just wanted to have it in my collection. I love these things so much, bro. Like, after this video, I'm definitely going to play with this. really know like the proper way to play with these, but I love these so much. Next I have monkey noodles. Sorry about all the background noise. I have them all in this knot. So I don't want to take them out. And this. Sorry, I'm trying to rush because my mom wants me to help her with something. But next we have these mini needles, which one popped, but these are just like, sadly the blue one broke, but they're just like globbles. Next I have this homemade DNA ball. Sorry, pretty loud, but I still like it. Next I have an infinity cube, but there's a twist to this infinity cube, so you can sorry, I'm trying to fix it. Okay, so now just saying, I think it's pretty cool. I have this squishy. I have this shark. And then I have my no, actually I have a little bit more. Next I have this pea popper, marble and mesh, Slinky, broke though, flat ball. I have this ball. Ooh. And then I have this. And then a bike chain. That's it. I definitely want to grow my fidget collection, but I definitely have a lot of fidgets. But thank you so much for watching Elephant Squad. That's what I call you guys. Elephant Squad. You are new. Or didn't know that. That's why I don't say it like in the beginning. Like, hey guys. Hey. Like I say, hey guys, I'm watching my channel. Then I say, hey Elephant Squad, welcome to my channel. I say at the end, but yeah, Elephant Squad. I'm about to play with this right here. Oh, I forgot one fidget. Yeah, bye. Comment down below what videos you want to see.